For this recipe of carrot cake flavoured baked oats, you will need a container to put your baked oats into, sprayed with a low-calorie cooking spray, 40 grams of oats, approximately 180 grams of quark, 40 to 50 grams of grated carrot, 15 grams of sultanas, 2 beaten eggs, ground cinnamon of mixed spice, of ginger. You will also need some sweetener and, as an optional extra, some flavouring. Start by mixing the quark into the oats. It's quite a stiff mixture, so it will take some working in. Next, add the beaten eggs, then the raisins, grated carrot, cinnamon, ginger and mixed spice. A few drops of flavouring, and finally 5 to 10 mils of sweetener, or 2 teaspoons. Spray your roasting pan with Fry Light or any other low-calorie cooking spray that you have, and brush it round to distribute it evenly. And then there's what the mixture looks like when it's all done, when it's all mixed. Tip that into your roasting dish. And then pop it into a preheated oven at 180 for 30 minutes. To stop the top going too brown, after 30 minutes, cover it loosely with bako foil and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. So let's put it in the oven and see how it turns out. This is what it looks like when it first comes out of the oven. It should be golden on top and springy to the touch. I'm now going to leave it to cool before I decorate it with my quark topping. The topping is an optional extra. I'm making mine from the remainder of the tub of quark, an equal quantity of Greek yogurt, a small amount of orange zest, some clementine segments, and 1 tablespoon of sweetener. Beat the Greek yogurt and the quark together. Add the sweetener. And some of the orange zest, keeping some back so that you can garnish the cake with it. Cover and refrigerate it until you are ready to top your cooled baked oats. And finally, all complete, ready to eat. Eat the whole lot for 1 healthy extra B and 3 thins, or cut it up into portions and thin accordingly. Enjoy.